how to play the 2-octave G major and E minor scales on the bass. Let's get started with G major. We're going to go second finger on the E, open A, first, second finger, D now, open, E, first finger, and then fourth finger, and then open. Now that is G, so A is first finger, then fourth, shift here, and we're going to go to the note that is a half step above the note we just played. So first finger, fourth finger for a whole step, now another whole step, first finger, and you'll need to find that one by ear, and then third finger for the F sharp, and then slide up for the harmonic. Now when you do the turnaround, you can just use your second finger for the F sharp, the turnaround, back to third finger, harmonic, now third finger on F sharp, a first finger for E, fourth is D, first, back to first position, fourth, first, and then open, fourth, second. So there's the fingering. Let's go ahead and try playing it with a beat and half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the 2-octave E minor scale. And remember, the E minor scale, there is one sharp in the key signature, just like G major. That is F sharp in the key signature. However, going up, we also play C sharp and D sharp. Going down, just the F sharp, everything else is natural. So let's go ahead and start with the open E. First finger F sharp, second finger G, A, first finger. Now it's C sharp, ascending is fourth finger. Then we go to half position for D sharp. Now here, instead of playing second finger for the E, you're going to go ahead and shift up again to first position and play first finger for the E. Going up the second octave, we play fourth finger F sharp, open G, first finger. Now go ahead and shift to B, first finger. And then C sharp is fourth finger. Shift again to the second finger, that is D sharp, and then we play E. The turnaround will be D sharp, back to E. Now instead of second finger, you play first finger because now we have D natural instead of D sharp. So we play E. Going down, fourth finger on C natural, second finger on B, this is now a half step. First finger shifts down to first position, this is A, G, fourth finger, open D this time, second finger C natural, and then first finger, second. So pay careful attention to the fingering changes where you play C sharp and D sharp going up, and then C natural and D natural going down. Let's go ahead and try playing it with a beat, and we're going to go 2 beats per note.